In a quiet coastal town, a streetlight suddenly shifts its glow and becomes a memory engine, storing whispered wishes from passers-by. The town's clockwork pigeons notice, and they perch above, watching memories shimmer like jellyfish in a lantern-lit sea. Residents discover that when they speak a longing aloud near the light, a faint scene materializes and fades, guiding them toward brave choices. As weeks pass, the light grows brighter, yet memories begin to demand quiet courage back from the people. By embracing the light as a confidant, the town learns to turn longing into acts that shape tomorrow.